Rudolph Speid. Firstly, coach, 6 points on the board. Your thoughts on the performance this evening?
It was pretty rough initially, but players get stuck in. I was able to bring out a victory, but it was pretty rough initially.
All right. Any questions for Mr. Speid? Please indicate, and you may proceed. Mr. Bryce first, and then over to NG.
Good afternoon, Coach. The team seen a bit of bereft of chances until introduction of players like Atkinson and Calvin. How important is that these players can create immediate impact coming off the bench?
Yeah, no, they are really starters, but sometimes you have to plan for the long term, medium term, and that was what that was all about. Other players needed to get an opportunity to play because we know we will always draw on them if we run into trouble.
Coach, despite the scoreline, your opponents were able to carve out a lot of chances, especially in the second half, although they were unlucky. Does that say anything, or does that raise any concerns about the team's defensive shape?
Yeah, but we recognize that if we play it fast and play in the transition mode all the time, we also be getting a lot of chances. And when we assessed the game, we thought if the team would turn into a shootout, we would have come out on top. So that was the thinking behind that stretch.
Coach, first off, ended 1-1. The defenders are finding it very, very difficult to deal with the striker, the number 30. What was the instruction to the defense in the second half?
Well, it wasn't the defense was the problem, really. We were allowing them to come out too easy. So in the second half, what we did was put a block right in front of them, 4 across the front of the field. That was able to slow down their attack in the second half.
Can you tell us a little bit about the performance from the captain tonight, Richard King?
Oh, he's brilliant. We had 2 captains. Maybe his last game for us too. But so I thought he was just brilliant defensively, and it's a good time for him to be like that because the national team coach was in the stand watching.
Secondly, busy with Atkinson, not fully fit, but coming on in the second half to put on a performance like that. Can you tell us a little bit more about his fitness and also the performance that he
Well, he's recovering from an injury sustained in training about 3-4 weeks ago. He didn't play out before today, but halftime I asked him how much he could give to me. He said, "Coach, 35, 40. I said, okay. And that is why we made that change early to bring him on. This is one of our most productive players.
You have a flurry of attackers, quite a lot of attackers, Stein, Calvin. How you plan to go about the continue of the season in managing out these attackers? Everyone at the same time.
Yeah, that's true, but it's a good problem to have some that work.
How valuable are 3 points this regarding for Cavaliers?
Oh, this is most valuable because just before the game we're not leading anymore because Northern also had 3 points. Let us not watch the games played because board points on the board is concerned. So it was very important that we got these 3 points and go back to the top of the table. Because this zone it will not be decided until the last game.
We can take one more. Any other questions? Coach, congrats again.
Yeah. Thank you.